Good day, my dear friends, it's Oksana. Welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today I'm making cookies, applesauce cookies. I had homemade applesauce. You can use store-bought one, no problem here. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now so you don't miss anything in the future. Like maybe you missed these cookies I made a couple weeks ago. No bake cookies, amazing coconut cookies. And without further ado, let's go. Let's make amazing applesauce cookies. They're so good, you will want to make them again and again.